Good day, I'm Angelica Prayela, 4th year medical student. Today, I will demonstrate on how to do horizontal mattress suture technique. But for now, let's proceed for the materials needed. So, let's proceed on how to hold a needle driver or needle holder. So first, put your thumb on the upper hole of the needle driver and put your ring finger on the lower hole of the needle driver. And don't forget to put your index finger closer to the tip so to make the suturing more steady. So this is how it will look. So let's proceed on how to put the needle to the needle driver. So using your Adson forceps, get the needle and using your needle driver, make sure that the needle driver is 90 degrees on the needle and put it at least 2/3, not at the end and not at the middle, so you can manipulate it easily while suturing. So it should be like this. Gently lift the skin using the Adson forceps. Push the needle to the skin with perpendicular. Twist your arm to help the needle pass through the dermis, and by the help of the Adson forceps, guide the needle out of the middle of the wound. Use the Adson forceps to hold the needle while placing back your needle driver to the suture needle. Use your Adson forceps to lift the skin again and push it again the needle to the skin until out of the skin. There should be equal bites of depth and distance from the wound edge. Pull the thread enough. Get the needle again but facing the opposite direction. Gently lift the skin with forceps and pierce the skin surface with the needle perpendicular to the skin. Regrasp the needle in the same place with your needle holder. Lift the opposing skin edge. With your Adson forceps, pull the suture throughout skin and make a square knot tying twice and trim the suture.